So here's an overview of the 9 trainings a week where we're going to cover all these different features of xSky. We're going to pretend that we're starting on Monday. Somebody's downloaded it and they're just attaching it to Skype, loading their contacts and doing their settings. So we did that Monday morning, Monday first training. Then the second training of the week, we're going to go over category strategies, how to organize your lists, organize your contacts, permission lists, and targeted lists. So going through your contacts and organizing your categories. And then the next training is continuing to look at your contact list. You're going to choose to put some people in the ignore list. And then I might as well show you the other 2 ways. There's three ways of doing the ignore commands. This one is in your settings where people can opt out and put themselves in your do not send ignore list. We're going to go over ignore commands at the 9 p.m. Eastern Time Monday training. And then on Wednesday we're going to teach you to make your Skype run faster before you start using it. xSky. So we're going to clean out your list of pending friends, pending pals, pending authorizations where they haven't added you back. And also people who have been offline since forever, since for a long time, whatever time period you decide. We did that this morning. And then starting to use filters where we're using people's profiles, their location, their country, their city, their language, to separate them out into groups using filters. So being able to filter people by their Skype profiles is very exciting. We recorded the session last time with that. And then we'll also be doing eventually some phone extraction demonstrations. Now this one, we're going to start to broadcast some messages, and people generally don't know what to say. You have to have the right mindset, and you have to sort of get an idea of how to write your messages, your broadcast messages. So we're going to start with what you do in the very beginning when all you have is your all contacts. You don't have categories. So that's what we're going to go over today, and then we'll continue on Friday with broadcasting messages, more targeted messages. Targeted in that they're maybe in some group chat rooms, targeted in that maybe they fit into a certain category that you've built, or targeted because you've filtered something. You've done a filter from their Skype profile, their mood, their about, perhaps a city, a state, a language. So, and then we're going to go on to broadcasting messages. What type of messages would you send someone you've just added as a new Skype friend, a newly added contact? And then finally, once you've really learned to deal with the contacts that you have all week, then we'll teach you on the last 2 trainings of Friday each week. We'll do this whole schedule each week, how to grow your Skype contact list in 2 ways. One is with group chat extraction, and the other is to search users. So that's sort of an overview of the training that we're going to give every week, and all of these are recorded, and there's some ways for you to access the recordings if any of these fit into what you need to learn. So anybody can be anywhere in the learning process and find these videos, or find the trainings at the level of hopefully the things that they want to learn.